Okay, so this is a recording demonstrating how to integrate the Talsec freeRASP Unity plugin into your Unity game project. I'll start by creating a new project inside Unity Hub. I'll make a simple sample project, rename it to Test freeRASP Android, and create it. Now that the project is created, the first step is to add the plugin. To do that, I need to download the plugin from Talsec GitHub repository. Here I'll go to Releases and download the Unity package file. In this script, I've already prepared a simple sample to make things quicker for this session. Click, choose Import Package and then Custom Package. I'll select the package I just downloaded. In the Assets folder, I'll create a MonoBehavior script that will handle the initialization of freeRASP. To make editing easier, I'll open the project in VS Code. I'll go to the project folder and open it in VS Code. I'll replace this game class with a script that I prepared before, and you can download it from the samples in the freeRASP repository. This is the Android threat detected callback. And you will implement its methods. These methods are automatically invoked whenever freeRASP detects a threat. Now, step by step, let's look at the parameters passed to the init method. The first is the expected package name, which should match your Android app's package name. The second is the signing certificate, which is a base64 encoded string. You will need to obtain this from your signing certificate. The documentation explains how to do that. Finally, if you support alternative stores outside Google Play, you can include that string in the initialization as well. Inside each callback method, you can implement your own logic based on the threat detected. For example, if a device is rooted, you can exit the app, display a dialog, or take any action you prefer. Let me save this script and return to the Unity project. Now that the game logic is written, I'll assign the script to an object in the scene so that it gets executed when the scene loads. Finally, I'll go to File, Build Settings, and switch the platform from Mac OS to Android. I'll select Android and click Switch Platform. Unity will now switch the target platform to Android. Once it's done, I'll export the project and open it in Android Studio. As you can see, Android is now active. Before exporting, I need to set the correct package name. I'll go to Player Settings, locate the package name field, and set it. Then I'll proceed with exporting. I'll create a directory called Android. Unity will generate an Android Studio project inside this folder, which I can open and continue working on in Android Studio to build the final APK. Now that the Android freeRASP Unity project is created, I'll open it in Android Studio. I'll launch Android Studio, click Open, and navigate to the project I just exported. Here's the project. One final step. I'll edit the settings.gradle file and add the Maven repository for freeRASP. You can find the repository URL in the documentation. After adding it, I'll sync the project and build it to make sure everything is working correctly. Now that the app's building successfully, the integration is complete. You are ready to publish your application. Thank you for choosing freeRASP.